Refrigerant charging process. Ensure that valve V1 and V3 are closed throughout the process. Step 1. Note the weight of the refrigerant cylinder on the weighing scale, 5,000 grams. Step 2. Open V4 refrigerant cylinder valve. Refrigerant will begin to enter the AC unit through valves V2 and SV. See the level of the refrigerant drop in the cylinder. Step 3. When the compound gauge reads 100 psig, start the AC unit. Step 4. Regulate the flow of the refrigerant from valve V2. Note the weight of refrigerant cylinder, 4,200 grams. The difference of the weights of the cylinder indicates the weight of refrigerant that has entered the AC unit, 800 grams. Step 5. When the desired quantity of refrigerant has entered the AC, close V4 and V2. Run the AC for about 15 minutes. Check the suction pressure, amperes, and the room conditions. If delta T equals to or greater than 10 degrees centigrade, then the refrigerant charging process is complete. Delta T is equal to room return air T1, minus room supply air T2, is equal to, or greater than 10 degrees centigrade. Amperes for 1.5 TR split AC. It is 7 to 9.5 amps, depending upon the ambient and star rating of the AC.